Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. Good morning.
Boom shakalaka.
Today it is Tuesday, 3:25. Welcome back to the Deived channel. Today we're gonna be talking about stocks and crypto. Yes, sir. Pre-market movers, stock heatmap, crypto bubbles, and some wild headlines, including Alibaba calling out a possible AI bubble. So let's get it. Let's start with what went down yesterday, and let's go ahead and get started with the stock heat map. And we can see that yesterday we had a lot of green. Yes, sir. Nvidia 3.1, GE, TXN 3%, AMD 6.9%. Very, very good. Google, Meta, IBM, Palantir 6.3, Amazon 3.5, Tesla 11.9%. A lot of upside, and it seems like things were pretty good. Not bad at all. And you know what else caught my eye? SENS, guys. SENS Sensionics yesterday went up to 74 cents, and today we're at 75. We are doing very well. And look at the weekly. Last week we had a bullish engulfing candle, so hopefully we'll continue with the rally. If this is the higher low, we can definitely push higher to that $2 target, and I think there is gonna be some continuation for SENS. If you're holding SENS, let me know, guys. No news. Let me see if there's any news. No news right now for SENS, but that's something I wanted to pull up and review. And potential breakout to the $2, bro. At now or wait. You already know what we say. Patience is the name of the game. But we gotta mark the levels, guys, so we have a little bit of a better perspective of where price can go. First stop should be back to 139s over here, which could be about 64 cents, 86%, and we can even push further to the upside to $2, 169%, 1.26. Keep that in mind, okay? Now let's switch to the crypto bubbles. Let's see what's happening over here. In the daily bubbles, we can see CRO 22%, Demo 13%, Blue 52%, GigaChat 11.9%, very interesting. Doge 5.9%. I see Cardano 3.8%, Sui 2.1%, Prime 8.6%, IP 9.6%, Spell Token down 2.1%. Sadly, one of my long shots. Polygon 3.7%, Pepe 4.4%, Toshi 3.9%, Popcat 8.9%. I actually bought some Popcat. My friend Edouard Murati told me about it. I'm like, okay, let's buy a little bit. Let me see over here. Betabot, welcome. I heard some said a dump in Saturday due to the moon. If that is the case, I will buy next week. Buy more? Yes, sir. Yeah, there could be some potential retracements. But right now, we're enjoying the profits. And I don't know which market you're talking about, bro. You're talking about crypto? You're talking about stocks? I don't really know. Right now, things are setting up for me, man. It looks very good all over the place. But, yes, I expect a higher low somewhere. So, you gotta be very, very better. But I would need to know what you're talking about. Crypto? Yeah, crypto could definitely create a higher low. But for now, Bitcoin 87,540. We are up 0.02%. Ethereum 2,069. Looking very nice. Looking very, very nice. We can't time it. I will say let things go to the next price point and see what's happening, because, for example, over here with Ethereum, we are still in a downtrend, right? So when we retest that trend line, two things can happen. Either we break the trend line or we push back down to create a higher low. So definitely want to watch out for that. Interesting statement that you have brought up. Cardano 75 cents. Let's see if we retest back again the 117. that we have created as a high. XRP 2.44 for XRP. This one is saving its life on this trend line on the daily, and you can see that the 4-hour candle is actually becoming bullish. I want to keep an eye on this as well. I'm in it. I got in Avalanche a while back. I think I told you guys that I got in at about 18.8, and right now we're at 22. That means that we are in profits around about 18%. 3.5 is the move, and definitely can keep an eye on this, bro, because some people are saying, oh, if you bought below 22 you're good. Okay, so I'm good. The other thing is that they said it is ranging from 40s to 16, and that's where we are, bro. We're literally at 22. We did go to 16. Did we go? Yeah, 15.36. And if this goes back to 55, then you know there's a great potential here, bro, where this can actually go up about 140%, $31. Take care, Betabud. Thank you for stopping by, my friend. I hope you have a good night's sleep. Dogecoin is at 18.1865. This is actually looking interesting as well. We are still in a downward channel. You can see we retested the previous support, which was a resistance over here. And let's see what happens here, my friend. Let's see if we get to retest the highs back at 37 cents. And I want to take a look at Jasmine. We're at 0.0177. This one I want to keep an eye on. Created a double bottom. I have a buy signal at 0.01. And it's looking very, very good in the daily. And finally, I want to take a look at Solana. Solana 144. I actually bought Solana. I wanted to get in at 133, but couldn't do it. Waited for a pullback, and now we're at 144. For entries, I actually got in about 138. So this buy signal that I got is actually the one. Now I'm getting a sell signal. Let's see if we breaks the resistance to continue. We have the 200 EMA there on the 4 hours, so definitely want to watch out for that. But that daily, bro, the daily looks very, very good to me. Let's be patient about it. But anyways, let's get into the stock market. So the first things first I want to check out is the stock index futures tick up ahead of housing reports. S&P is up 0.1%, Nasdaq is up 0.2%, Dow futures 0.3%. And Wall Street saw significant gains on Monday, fueled by growing optimism that Trump's upcoming tariffs will be more focused and less sweeping than originally feared. The rally was driven by a surge in tech stocks as investors grew hopeful that a targeted approach to tariffs could help avoid a prolonged economic slowdown. U.S. futures were already pointing towards a solid start yesterday. Markets then got a fresh burst of support after a March flash. PMIs were much stronger than expected, which collectively led to pushback against the weaker U.S. growth recession narrative that's developed over the recent weeks. My theory is that U.S. stocks now underperform most when the tariff threat is the highest, because if you believe returns to capital have been greatest under global free trade, then the larger the threat to that, the larger the impact on the ultimate beneficiary of capitalism in recent years, namely U.S. stocks. Read writes. And let me go ahead and take a look over here at the Forex Factory calendar. So we got Flash Services PMI 54.3 is higher than the forecast. Flash Manufacturing PMI 49.8 lower than the forecast. And let's see over here. So today, CB Consumer Confidence, New Home Sales, Richmond Manufacturing Index, no red folder news, so we may continue with the rally that we had yesterday. Wednesday, core durable goods orders. And then we got FOMC member cash carry, crude oil inventories, Musalem speaking. On Thursday, final GDP quarter over quarter, unemployment claims. Then Friday, we got core PCE price index, personal income, personal spending, revised UOM consumer sentiment, inflation expectations. Remember, Barr speaking and Bostic speaking. So definitely something to keep an eye on for volatility, because this creates volatility. But now let's move to the 4 stocks that we are watching. So one is GameStop. GameStop earnings tonight. GME reports after the bell. Expected earnings are 8 cents per share. And let me go ahead and pull up the chart real quick. There you go. Man, I'm sorry. I just spilled my coffee. And it's all over the place. Anyways, GME reports after the bell. Expected earnings are 8 cents per share. Revenue at $1.44 billion or $48 billion. That's a huge drop year over year. Digital gaming continues to eat up hardware sales, but rumor is GME might talk Bitcoin again. Keep an eye on this. Current price is at $25.81, and we did bounce on the 200 EMA. The daily has a buy signal. I'm not saying buy, but I definitely want to keep an eye on this GME. Wow. But anyways, moving forward to the next one, Tesla, guys. Let me go ahead and pull up the chart. So Tesla yesterday went up 11.9%. Today we are at $283.51. I know there's a lot of people, sell Tesla, short it, sell it, whatever it is. But ladies and gentlemen, Tesla is up again pre-market. That's 5 green days if it holds. Still negative 31% on the year. European sales dropped 40% year over year. And Elon catching heat politically. But hey, maybe sentiments is turning. Let's see. Maybe if people get $5,000 in the bank account, they won't be mad. Right, Chewy? I know. It's crazy, right? Yeah, I know you own a Tesla, bro. Yeah, but don't get mad. Just okay. You're joking around. The next one that I want to check out is called SAVA, Cassava Sciences, over here, guys. So yeah, Cassava Sciences. SAVA down almost 18% after cutting the Alzheimer program. Failed trials, DOJ drama, and it's looking very, very rough. We are currently at $2.22. This is very, very low, guys. We didn't break up higher. We did go up over here back in 2021, but never recovered. We are still at 221, as you can see. It's not looking good for this company at the moment. And I would highly suggest staying away until it gets better news. And the last one is going to be Crown Castle, CCI. Crown Castle Inc. CCI just fired their CEO, second time in under 18 months. Not scandal related, but investors are nervous. They're also selling their fiber segment for $8.5 billion. Currently at $102.59. We're at the 200 EMA for the monthly. This is definitely something that I want to keep an eye on. We did break out of that trend line. We got a support and a resistance that we got to watch out. And if we go back to the top over here of 210, that's going to be a move of about 105%, $107. Something to definitely watch. Now, the bonus, Alibaba, AI bubble, and rehiring, guys. Yes, sir. I've been watching Alibaba. And Alibaba's Joe Tsai just threw shade on US. AI spending says we might be seeing a bubble forming. People spending ahead of demand. Meanwhile, they're restarting hiring after 12 quarters of layoffs. Could be a signal that Chinese tech is turning a corner. Okay, and I want to go ahead and take a look Baba real quick. And Baba has been performing beautifully. 133. The monthly doesn't look bad, but we may need to pull back. Maybe back to the 200 EMA. We'll see. Daily. Creating consolidation. So I want to see this breakout. See, there's literally consolidation. Buy, sells, buy, sells, buy, sells. I don't like that. Let it do its own thing. Let's look at the weekly. It's the beginning of the week as well. And we're already a little bit lower. Oh, let's see what happens, bro. Honestly, this Alibaba story deserves its own deep dive. Might do a dedicated video later today. Let me know in the chat if you're down. And now I want to talk about... Actually, I'm going to do that video right now, guys. Let's go ahead and do it real quick. Okay, let's look for DeepSeek. And the market will open in 1 minute. Let the market open and then I'll do this video real quick. See what happens, bro. And the DXY, let's look at 103.995. We're actually pushing down. And the market is open right now. DXY. Let's look at SPX, 5,775 as expected to the upside. Yep, we broke a trend line. We created a support. Now we're pushing higher. Very good. US 100, 20,195, the same situation. But we are at a very interesting area that we got to keep an eye on. We got to break out over here and see if we're going to retest that 22,123. IXIC, 18,208. We zoom out a little bit. We're still in an uptrend. I see that we rejected here, and I'm gonna go ahead and create that support. US oil 69.56. It's actually going up a little bit. Wanna watch out for that. Are we gonna go higher, guys? Is oil gonna get more expensive? I wanna watch out for this. And let me go ahead and do that. There you go. Perfect support. Gold 3024. Man, gold does not stop, bro, for no one. Look at that. We did pull back down to 3000, but it's back at 3024, baby. Wow, gold is doing well. Back to Bitcoin, 87,807. We're actually looking good. Creating a higher low. Let's see if we retest that $91,000 price range. And then I want to take a look at some stock action here. CleanSpark is at 881. This is actually looking good in the weekly. The daily too, we broke out of the trend line. That's good signs. Boeing 182.07. Look at the weekly. Oh, higher low. That's actually looking good. Nokia 539. Let's go. Still our target will be $8. I mean, my target at least with Cohen. But I'm gonna hold, guys. I'm gonna hold this one because I think even though it's gonna get there, it's gonna pull back down, and it can definitely continue. So until 24.23, what a retest, back down to 1996 and back up to 24.24. Let me look at the stock heat map. A lot of gray, waiting for the market to do moves. And let me see over here, things that I am watching. I saw TNXP yesterday going up. It's at 29.28. Palantir 97.61. What a beautiful entry we got, bro. I actually entered at 86. and we are currently at 97, so that's amazing. SENS 75 cents. Let's go. Looking much better. And let me go ahead and go back to BABA before I say bye-bye. We're at 134. Let's look at the weekly. We're doing exactly what we wanted to see, bro. It's literally what we wanted to see. Here we go. Easy. 3. Let me get the volume down a little bit. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. What if I told you the US might be overbuilding its AI empire? That's exactly what Alibaba's chairman Joe Tsai just hinted at. And it's a warning worth unpacking. Ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, welcome. Yes, I was reviewing this article from Seeking Alpha. Alibaba sees sign of potential AI bubble in US, plans to resume hiring report. At the HSBC Global Investment Summit, Tsai said Alibaba is done shrinking. They're hiring again after 12 straight quarters of layoffs. Why? Because Chinese tech might finally be out of the woods. But then came the big statement. Tsai says he's worried about the AI gold rush in the US. Over $500 billion in projected spending, but not enough demand yet. And he warned, building data centers on spec might be a red flag. While US giants like Microsoft and Meta go big, DeepSeek in China is taking a frugal approach and just dropped an AI model with a lower budget and zero human training. Currently, Alibaba is at $133.85. We did do an analysis a long time ago that Baba could be going to 150 from Mizuho. By the way, if we go back to Mizuho's target, that's about 11.76% from the current price, $15.90. JP Morgan gave us a target of 180, and that's my original target. That's about 32%, $43. Goldman Sachs, 214, that's about $79, 58%. And Raymond James, 250, 117, about 87%. I do think that this could even push further to 294, and we'll see how that retest goes, because whenever we get to a certain price point, we may sell off because there are some investors that got caught in the euphoria. But anyways, guys, I am definitely watching Alibaba. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So, is this the start of the AI bubble or just growing pains? Let me know what you think. Is just trying to level the playing field, or does he have a point? Let me know in the comment section. We do the videos con mucho amor, and as always, have a beautiful day. Okay, guys, if you have any questions or any company or stocks or crypto you want me to review, just submit it right now so I can take a look. And yesterday, what see local AI that's chewies and chewettes needs a warning worth unpacking. After that 6, what if I told you to US? What if I told you the Okay, let me go ahead and do this video. Dímelo. Okay, let me do this. Let me put it on listed. Perfect. So we got a video for today, guys. Beautiful. Thank you for being supportive, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. So we're getting a little bit of red. Let me see. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of red. Tesla, negative 0.9%. Nvidia, negative 1.3%. But still a bit of green here and there. I see NIO, 441. Not bad. Okuyen 67 cents. Let me see. Solana 145. Whoa, we actually broke up. There you go. I bought in and it's going up. That's pretty good. Let me see what else. Dogecoin 1872. We already almost hit 19 cents. Oh, we did hit 19 cents. There you go. Avalanche, bro, doesn't stop. 22.43. I got lucky in this one, bro. I really was saying to myself, this looks a little bit oversold. And now we're getting the upside. That's a beautiful thing, bro. Wanna watch out. Wanna watch out the price points. There is a resistance, obviously. That's what you gotta watch out for. We are at a very tough zone, too. XRP 2.44. Cardano 75 cents. Cardano did reach 76, but we're back to 75. And Bitcoin 87,600. 87,600. I just got a sell signal over here on the 1 hour. Let's see what happens because he's still in the uptrend. He's still in an uptrend here. And we broke this trend line, so let's watch out for that. And gold 3,028, bro. Very, very good. The dollar is actually pushing down 103.98. See if it goes. Yeah, look at that. Dollar is rejecting. The XY is rejecting over here 104.36. And this, let's see what happens, bro. I see there's a bit of rejection here. Okay, guys, I think that's it. That's gonna be the video for today, the live stream for today. That's it for today's movers. Drop your watch list in the chat. Let's keep hunting setups. Subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned for that Alibaba video, guys. We do the videos con mucho amor, and as always, have a beautiful day. Let's go.